All right, y'all.
Or Kawasaki Vulcan.
That's Jason. There's Jeremy. We're gonna take a tour.
What?
You ready?
No.
All right, we're going to go through the electric moon. We're gonna start at, excuse me. They're paying, so I can show you some of the boats going by. Look at this. This is the boat parade. We're up at the top of the electric moon. They're coming around, doing the whole boat thing. How fun. Going all down the river. They're paying. I'm going down to the lower level, okay?
Alright, you should slide down.
No, I'm not doing a slide. They're watching the Georgia Tech game here. There's the kitchen. There's the bar. Nice bar area. It's a lot warmer in here. They used to have couches and stuff in here. Oh, here we go. They have more propane tables out here. This is where you can see more of the town. Excuse me. There's the bathroom. Now we're going to go down this little stairwell. Little winding stairwell here. Photo op. It's got a smaller bar down here. Everybody's all dressed up. A lot of times they have like groups here playing. As you can see, all down on the town. That's the Alita. I want to go up there sometime. They're playing cornhole, it looks like. I love these little chairs. These chairs are fun. I'm going to sit in one. I'm going to sit in a fun chair. I'm going to sit in a fun chair. Woo! I've had a little too much to do.